Hi there, Automotive Control Bristol. Today we have a 2017 Nissan X-Trail T32. So we have put in a KENWOOD DMX8021DABS, just there. So wireless Android Auto, wireless CarPlay. We've also retained the 360 cameras that the vehicle's already fitted with. So that'll keep working. There's a little button here to then change the view. So customers lost nothing by changing this unit over. Bose wasn't fitted on this one, but we can do the Bose version as well. Steering wheel controls work. Clock in the middle still works. Fantastic unit. HDMI input, USB-C input, which is high-speed charging. 3-year warranty, in stock. Give us a call. Thanks for watching.